Population increase is one of the major issues facing the world today. As per the UN report 2015, the world population was about 7.3 billion. But by 2050, it will almost reach 10 billion. This is going to throw up various challenges to the world. The food requirement will increase with increase in population. But another factor which is going to increase is that the standard of living and per capita income increases, especially in Asia and Africa. The calorie requirement per capita is going to increase. So this will increase further the need of food. Another challenge as far as the food production is concerned, the land which is used for agriculture is not increasing. The main solution is the increase in per acre yield for various crops. So agrochemical is going to play a very vital role in increasing per acre yield. There are different kind of agrochemicals which are used. So all of this is going to really benefit in increasing the various crops. Climate change is one of the key other issues facing the world right now, and that is going to further exacerbate with increase in population. So if you have the present technologies only, then obviously carbon emission is going to increase with increase in population. Life expectancy is also increasing. The age profile of the population is also going to change. So you need to have more effective medicines. So newer molecules as well as cost-efficient manufacturing. So any new technology or new material, the key will be cost effectiveness for that to really scale up on the mass scale. And all this problem which I mentioned, whether it's a food or medicine or newer technology, will need chemical as a building block. India can be a really good manufacturing destination chemicals with respect to the costs. Aarti Industries is a large global scale chemical manufacturing company based in India, and originally we started in 1984 with a small scale unit in state of Gujarat. From that, over the years we have grown into multi-product, multi-location. We have a lot of strategic relationship with various agrochemical companies. We have a long-term contract with them so that we can give a reliable intermediate feedstock for them to manufacture the finished agrochemical. And simultaneously also we make a lot of APIs. We have a US FDA approved plant and we are supplying those medicines globally. New technologies requires a lot of high performance polymers. So we are integral part of that entire supply chain. We have a multi-year contract with various polymer manufacturing company, and we are able to apply sustain and reliable manner various intermediate to those companies who are ultimately making the polymers and composites which are used in Dreamliner, Boeing for their new generation aircraft. But during the entire manufacturing processes, there are a lot of hazards involved of let's say fire, explosion. A lot of chemicals also have exposure-related issues. It is very important that we have safe processes of manufacturing. And because we had a chemical engineering background, it was very helpful to make the process more safer from the beginning itself.
Health and safety is the most important thing in the chemical industry. A lot of things can go wrong. There are two aspects of safety. First aspect is the process safety, and the second aspect is the workplace safety. Process safety starts from the chemistry, so we need to know the hazards at a chemistry level. We look at studies like HAZOP, quantitative risk assessment, HERA for operations, etc. to take care of the process study, process safety aspect. And this covers from R&D till the project and during operations as well. As far as workplace safety is concerned, it is very much a cultural issue. The commitment stems from the top. You require to train every person in the company, even the contractors that work with you, for safe practices. Problem with safety is that even one time if you falter or if you miss, an incident can take place, and that can be highly demoralizing. To ensure that that doesn't happen, it is important to continuously stress the importance of safety. And for that, what we have devised is that every day there has to be a toolbox talk where we talk of safety. Every meeting starts with a safety talk, and every employee takes a safety pledge every single day in the company. So that kind of reinforces the belief of safety. That's why you see a lot of signs across the company in various languages, in English, in Hindi, in Gujarati, the local language here, just to keep safety visible, and that safety is most important. When the resources are a constraint, a company has to choose what it focuses on, because there are growth opportunities and that there are things we need to do to improve sustainability and safety. Environment and sustainability are very crucial. We use the 3R principle of reduce, reuse, and recycle as a concept in various processes to save energy as well as to make gainful use of various byproducts. One of the byproducts that we have is HCl. So for that we have a two-pronged approach. Firstly, we have pioneered a technology in India to make dry HCl, which we use to make chlorosulfonic acid. Another way in which we use HCl is to convert it into calcium chloride. So we have set up 2 dedicated plants of calcium chloride, which we've bought first time in India to use this HCl to convert into calcium chloride. One of the other important part of environment or sustainability is how do you deal with the effluents. At most of our plants here at Aarti are zero discharge plants. So we reuse the entire effluent that we generate back in the process. One of the technologies that we have recently started is soil biotechnology, where we take the sewage water and then treat it in this technology and then use it again for gardening purposes. We also have other technologies like reverse osmosis plants, Fenton, and multi-effect evaporators to ensure that all the effluent that is getting generated is treated and reused in the plants. Energy recovery is very, very important, and it's essential for us as global citizens to reduce our carbon footprint. We have set up cogeneration plants which basically generate steam as well as power together. These are very efficient way of recovering energies. We also recover steam from distillation columns which can be used in other process applications. And through various techniques like pinch analysis, etc., we try to make gainful use of steam and power and reduce the energy consumption that we do at Aarti.
The world population, some of the major problems or issues what we are facing are with respect to food and medicine, and also more sustainable engineering polymer materials. So we are one of the most cost efficient manufacturer of this product because of good technology as well as the scale which we use. So we define purpose as the right chemistry for brighter tomorrow. Brighter tomorrow is products which are needed for the society, which will make the society more brighter, more happier. It take care of their hunger, their disease, and also will be more environmental friendly with respect to carbon footprint. And another important portion is the right chemistry, the way we manufacture those products. So the manufacturing, we have to combine both the cost-effective technology as well as technology which cares of safety, health and environment during the entire manufacturing. So we say we have to be right chemistry for brighter tomorrow.